Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel ELUCIDATE, and today we are going to do this inverted star pyramid pattern, which is very easy, which we have already done it. And now you would be saying that if it is so much of easy, then how we are going to do it? Although it looks a little bit of tricky, because it's not the pyramid star pattern, it's the inverted pyramid star pattern. But guys, we have already done it. Just try to understand the secret tip. The tip is over here that I'm going to explain now. So the trick is that, guys, first of all, what you have to do is that you have to print inverted right star pattern. So as per my playlist or series that I'm going, this is how your inverted right star pattern looks like, right? So this is the only thing that you have to do. Only thing. If you can write the program, if you remember the logic, this is my second program. This program is already done, right? So in order to print it, what you need to do, since we have matured enough, so I would quickly won't be telling you the entire logic. The only thing that you have to do is that first you have to divide it into this. Number of rows are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First this first pattern will be getting printed, then you have to print this second pyramid pattern, right? That is all, that is it. Apart from that, you do not have to do anything. So the first pattern is like, let's say, dot 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 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5, right? So quickly we are going to write the logic of it. We already know, already this is my first star pattern, this is my second star pattern, right? We already know how to write it, but let's, for the sake of in order to show how it works, allow me to quickly jump onto the session, right? So we already know how to print it, right? I have already jotted it down in my previous session. For this session, let's start again. So guys, there is a base loop and we do not make any changes for the base loop. Base loop will run 5 times because number of rows or number of printing on different lines are 5. So 5 rows require printing, right? So our base loop will run from 1 to 5, right? So I and t I'll just quickly, won't take your time. I equals 1, I less than equals 5, because 5 rows are there, and I plus plus, right? After that, what we have to do quickly, we have to print this star pattern. So in order to print this star pattern, what we the logic we use, int, we start with 1, because the requirement is that we have to print dot only one time, right? So j equals 1 and j less than equal to I, and the value of I for the first time is 1. After that, the value of j will keep on incrementing, right? This much is very clear. So first time it will check 1, 1 is less than equal to 1, condition satisfied, it will print dot over here. Okay, then this loop will do something else. And for the second time, let's say when the value of I is 2, I'm just reiterating, already I have iterated, I value of I will be 2. So j value will be getting checked, 1 less than equal to 2, yes, printed once. Again, the value of j will increase, it will get to 2. Condition that would be getting checked onto the printing loop, that is the inner loop, is 2 less than equal to 2, yes, again it will print, right? So in the same way, 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 5, right? So in this way we are going to print a left star pattern. Very much easy, we have already done it, right? So I'm just going to quickly, I won't take much time for this lecture, I'll quickly just jump onto the coding part. Only thing that we have to do is that, let's say if we are printing a dot, let's say I'm printing an at over here, so that you get to know what we are doing. And once it is done, if we do like this, let's say this, and we run it, what will happen? We have printed our first left star pattern. After this left star pattern, we have to print this pattern, right, which is inverted right star pattern. We also know the logic of it. It is even more simpler than previously discussed, right? So the requirement is, first time 5 stars should be printed on the first row, right? So what would be the, we will start the loop starting from 5 till 5 is greater than equal to I, value of I is equal to 1. Okay, so it will print star over here. Again, value of 5 will get decreased. So 5 minus minus, that is, will decrease the loop, value will become 4. 4 is greater than equal to 1, yes. 3 greater than equal to 1, yes. 2 greater than equal to 1, yes. Again it will get decreased, 1 is equal to 1, yes. Again it will decrease, no, the loop will terminate. And in the same way, this thing also will getting printed, right? So let's quickly print it out. So int, let's say ijk equals 5, and quickly k greater than equal to what? What it should be greater than equal to 1, because 5 times you have to print, right? So 1 means I, because we are making use of it dynamically, and then we will decrement the loop. Quickly we are going to print, let's say, star over here. So I am printing star over here, and see what happens. If I run it, see, we have got an inverted right star pattern. Now remove it with spaces, little bit become more clearer to you, right? Now the only logic that you have to find, that secret tip which I was talking about here, is nothing. You already know it. Just print a space over here, kind of stuff. Let's see what happens. This is your inverted star pattern, right? So star pattern we have already done. This is your inverted star pattern. Okay, so it's very much simple. It's just that, if I again remove it, I just run it, see what is happening over here, right? So it is not uh, you know uh, it is not printing any spaces, but if I just give one single space over here, it will keep on printing everything. So guys, this was all about your this particular lecture. It is very easy, even much easier than previous patterns, right? So I hope you have enjoyed the lecture, and please stay tuned, because I'm coming up with another set of star patterns, right? So thank you for your time, and thank you for your patience. Thank you, thanks.